Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix this error that you're looking on the screen. So first of all, if you are having this problem, it's probably because you're using an exploit on the game that gives you the ability to teleport, fly or jump infinite. So I'm going to teach you in this video how to fix that. So first we click the keys Windows plus R and this window is gonna open, and here we have to type %app. It's gonna lead us to this folder, and here on this folder we have to go to local, and here on local we have to search for the Roblox installation folder. Now when we are here we have to delete these last three files that I'm showing you here on this video, and once we delete it, it should be working, it's all done. Now if this doesn't work, I highly recommend you to just download Roblox from the Microsoft Store. This is because it's more reliable, the source, and the game hasn't any issues or troubles. So that are the two solutions for this problem. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you found the video valuable and fixed the problem. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please comment on the video. Please like and subscribe.